I still have leaves on the plum tree. It has not dropped to freezing yet this year. I'm in Northwest United States. These are the strawberries that last till November, through November. This year, they look a little bit better this time of the year than they usually do. This may surprise you. There's still a few flowers on the tobacco. Oops, sorry. Oh, got some noise in the background. This one is a volunteer. If you remember that one that was crooked last year, I still have the skeleton. The girls are out. They're having a good time this year. Nothing's frozen. I threw all kinds of seeds in here. Nothing took but the parsley. The nasturtiums were amazing this year. And the borage is still going. Here's a little patch I put in. I'm not sure what I planted because it didn't grow, but carrots did. I got carrots. And it's going to be December 1st tomorrow. And parsley right next to that. This was a little test patch to show people that they could actually have chickens in their garden. The carrots survived the chickens. I would say this didn't survive me. I weeded it in the, like I said, I don't remember what was in there. But there is some volunteer celery. Celery will volunteer. And there's some volunteer parsley. Now I'm thinking there might be some parcelery because celery and parsley can crossbreed. They do the hybrid thing. Anyway, I will see. I just don't see any evidence of much else coming up but a few weeds. I've been prepping a new spot. I'm going to prep this over here too. This is collards and I'm using it to recondition soil. It just produces like crazy. It's been pinched off at the top so it grows all over the place. That's one plant right there. That's one plant. They do go crazy, but the leaves are really good to put them on the ground. You know, they're all over here somewhere. They do decompose, so a lot of them have disappeared. But yeah, that really helps the soil. It's mindless. I just don't have to do anything. It does itself. There's a little bit of fall color. Getting the raspberries ready for next spring and summer. And some more borage next to a chicken house, chicken egg nest box. Tomorrow will be December 1st. It's going to get cold tonight, but I don't know if it'll freeze. Anyway, you all have a wonderful holiday season. Bye-bye.